Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a jack. Position the vehicle on firm level ground and engage the parking brake, then place wheel chocks. Locate the recommended jack point near the lift area and confirm the jack's rated capacity matches your vehicle's weight. Rotate the jack handle slowly to raise the vehicle until the tire clears the ground by roughly 3.5 inches, then place a solid jack stand before working under the vehicle. Start by checking your jack for any visible damage, leaks, or loose parts, and make sure it is clean and functioning. Choose a flat, stable surface and chock the opposite wheels to secure the vehicle against rolling. Line up the jack with the manufacturer-specified lift point and pump gently while watching the contact to ensure it stays centered. Once the vehicle is raised, slide in jack stands and lower the car onto them for a stable, safe workspace. When lifting, operate the jack with steady, controlled strokes and watch the vehicle for any tilting or slipping. Insert jack stands before committing the vehicle's weight and gently lower until the stands bear the load, giving the car a slight push to confirm stability. Remove tools and clear the area before raising the car a few inches to withdraw the stands, then lower the vehicle slowly and evenly back onto the ground. Finish by removing chocks and storing the jack properly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.